Hello, space explorers, and welcome back to Lilo's amazing adventure on planets. I'm Lilo, and this is my best buddy, Robo. Robo here. It looks huge. You got that right, Robo. We're approaching the biggest, most massive planet in our entire solar system. Get ready, because we're about to visit the giant king of planets, Jupiter. Wow! Look at all those swirling colors. It's like a giant cosmic painting. The stripes are so beautiful, with shades of orange, yellow, and white. It's absolutely mesmerizing. I've never seen anything like it. It sure is, Robo. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it's mostly made of gas, not solid rock like Earth. Those beautiful bands we're seeing are actually giant clouds and storms stretching all the way around the planet. And see that giant, reddish oval over there? You mean that enormous spot that looks like a big eye? It's gigantic! What is it? That's the most famous storm in the whole solar system. It's called the Great Red Spot. It's a hurricane-like storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. And it's so big that you could fit our home planet, Earth, inside it multiple times. Multiple times? That's unbelievable. So, if Jupiter is a gas giant, does that mean we can't land on it? Exactly. There's no solid ground to land our spaceship on. But we can get a super close look from here. Robo, can you pull up some data for our friends watching at home? Let's show them just how big Jupiter really is. You got it, Lilo. Activating holographic display. If you were to line up all the other planets in our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Jupiter is still more than twice as massive as all of them combined. It's the true heavyweight champion of the planets. Twice as massive as all the others put together. That's incredible. It really puts its size into perspective. So it's not just the biggest. It's the most massive, too. What else have you got for us, Robo? Well, Jupiter isn't just big. It's also a fast spinner. A day on Jupiter is super short. It spins around completely in just under 10 hours. That's less than half a day on Earth. Imagine having to go to bed that quickly after breakfast. Wow! A 10-hour day. That would feel so strange. We'd be zipping through day and night. Speaking of zipping, I feel like we should do a little exploring of our own. I've got my special space probes ready. Let's see what we can find out about the atmosphere. Ready, set, launch. Probes deployed. Lilo. According to the readings, Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the same two main ingredients that make up the sun. But don't worry, it's not big enough to become a star. It's more like a failed star. A failed star? That's a cool way to think about it. So it's like a star's little brother. That's fascinating. But wait, I know Jupiter isn't all alone out here. It has a lot of friends, right? An excellent point, Lilo. Jupiter has a huge family of moons. In fact, scientists have discovered dozens and dozens of them. As of our last check, there are over 90 confirmed moons orbiting Jupiter. It's like a mini solar system all on its own. Over 90 moons. That's a lot to keep track of. Are there any special ones we should know about? I bet some of them are pretty interesting. Of course. Let me project a holographic map of its four largest moons. These are called the Galilean moons because they were first discovered by the astronomer Galileo Galilei a long time ago. Meet Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ooh, look at them. They all look so different. Tell us about them, Robo. Which one is which? The one that looks like a cosmic pizza is Io. It's the most volcanically active body in our solar system, covered in hundreds of volcanoes that are constantly erupting. A pizza moon with volcanoes. That's wild. What about the shiny, icy-looking one next to it? It looks so smooth and bright. That's Europa. Scientists are really excited about this one. Beneath its thick, icy shell, they believe there might be a huge, salty ocean of liquid water. And wherever there's water, there's a possibility for life. A hidden ocean? That sounds like a mystery waiting to be solved. Maybe one day we can send a special submarine probe there. What's the biggest one on your map, Robo? That would be Ganymede. Not only is it Jupiter's largest moon, it's the largest moon in the entire solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is also the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, just like a planet. Bigger than Mercury. That's incredible. A moon that's bigger than a planet. And what about the last one? The one with all the craters. That's Callisto. It's one of the most heavily cratered objects in the solar system. Its surface is very old and tells a long story of being hit by asteroids and comets over billions of years. It's like a history book of the solar system. Io the volcano pizza, Europa the ocean world, Ganymede the giant, and Callisto the ancient. What an amazing family of moons! It's so cool that one planet can have so many different and exciting worlds orbiting it. It truly is, Lilo. Jupiter and its moons are a perfect example of how diverse and wonderful our solar system is. There's always something new and amazing to discover. You said it, Robo. Our adventure around Jupiter has been absolutely gigantic, just like the planet itself. We've learned about its great red spot, its super fast day, and its incredible family of moons. I can't believe how much we've seen. And we've only scratched the surface, Lilo. There are still so many more mysteries to explore around Jupiter and beyond. That's right. But for now, it's time for us to say goodbye to the king of the planets. What an unforgettable journey this has been. Thank you all for joining us on this amazing adventure to Jupiter. We had so much fun exploring with you. Don't forget to join us next time as we continue our epic journey through the solar system. What planet will be next? You'll have to wait and see. Until then, keep looking up at the stars. Bye everyone. Farewell, space explorers. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon. Bye bye.